Yeah, the name Unity is referencing teamwork. So right then and there, we're teaching kinder, first, and second graders to work as a team for a common goal, and that's a skill set that they can transfer no matter how old they get, no matter what career they go into. The YMCA made it extremely easy and accessible for us to bring this to Parkview. That's the great part about it, is it's coming to you, and for me, that's what prompted me to want to reach out, because it provides kids an opportunity who maybe would normally have to go to the Boys and Girls Club or would normally have to just walk home. They now get that access that they didn't have before.
It's a means of learning new experiences that maybe, they go with coach and they do some of these things during PE, but he's limited with the time that he has. So the after school, the camaraderie, the competition, friendly competition is important because life's a competition. It gives us a different light as well, to see them in a different setting, and maybe we can use that as an incentive for them to use their academics with their sports.